In this video, you'll learn how to edit a Webflow template from start to finish. By following these steps, you will be able to create a personalized website using a template that suits your needs. Begin by navigating to the Webflow dashboard. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Webflow URL. Once the page loads, you will see a clean interface with various options for managing your sites. Ensure you are logged into your account to proceed smoothly. Next, locate the button labeled New Site. This is typically found on the dashboard's main screen. Clicking this button will prompt a new window to open, displaying options for creating a new site. Wait for this window to fully load before continuing to the next step. After that, you should see an option labeled Template. Click on this option to explore the available templates. This action will lead you to a selection of templates categorized for various purposes. It's important to give the page a moment to load all template options. Once you are on the template selection page, you might notice a message that says, "Not seeing what you're looking for." This is helpful if you're searching for something specific. If you see this message, simply continue to the next step. Next, look for the View More in Marketplace link. Clicking this link will redirect you to a broader range of templates. Allow a few seconds for the marketplace to load completely, as it may take time depending on your internet connection. Now focus on the filter options and select free only. This will narrow down your choices to only free templates. Make sure to give the page time to refresh and display the available free options. At this point, you can choose a template that catches your eye. Browse through the options, and once you find one you like, click on it to view more details. Take note that larger templates may take longer to load depending on your internet speed. After selecting a template, click on View Details to access more information about it. This will help you understand the features of the template before you decide to use it. Once you have reviewed the details, click on Use for Free. This action will prompt you to start the process of creating a site based on your selected template. Wait for the system to confirm your selection before moving forward. Next, you will be prompted to click on Create Site. This button is usually located at the bottom of the page. Confirm that all details are correct before clicking to ensure you are creating the intended site. After clicking Create Site, you may need to repeat this action to finalize the setup. This redundancy ensures that your request is processed correctly. Finally, once your site is created, you can begin to customize the template. This is where you can change text, images, and other elements to make the site reflect your style and needs. Take your time to explore different customization options available. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.